Emily, we're going to do some math problem solving. So I'm going to ask you some questions and you'll answer them, okay? So looking at this, on what day of the week is the 14th?
Monday.
If all the dots on the line had numbers, what numbers would go here?
30.
If two of these ducks flew If two of these ducks flew away, how many would be left?
6.
Okay. If you are counting in order, which of these numbers would you say first?
19, 20, 11.
So if you are counting in order, which of these numbers would you say first?
19.
And which of these numbers would come next?
20.
How many inches long is this pencil?
5.
If you are counting in order, which of these numbers would you say first?
2.
Point to the second apple from the bowl. Okay, we're going to start with this page. Neil had 5 marbles and was given 3 more. How many marbles does Neil have now?
8.
These beads form a pattern on the pegs. How many beads should be put on the empty peg to complete this pattern?
4.
How many pennies does it take to equal the value of 1 dime?
4.
Okay, this graph shows the number of books given to the city library by students from 4 different schools. Going across the bottom of the graph, the schools are Central, Johnson, West, and Eastman. The numbers on the side show the number of books given by each school. How many books did Eastman School give?
40.
Okay, looking at these numbers, which number goes here?
7.
Looking at the clock, what time is shown on this clock?
3, 8.
Okay, which is worth more? 7 pennies, 6 nickels, or 1 quarter? Which is worth more?
1 quarter.
This graph shows the number of people who rode each fair ride. The rides were the Ferris wheel, roller coaster, merry-go-round, water slide, pirate ship, and the train. The number on the side, right here, shows the number of people who rode each ride. How many people rode the Ferris wheel?
20.
Okay, looking at this number, which number is in the tens place?
The 5.
Looking at this number again, which number is in the hundred thousands place?
The 9.
Okay. Robert has 6 toys. Together, Robert and Max have 15 toys. How many toys does Max have?
$81.
Thank you. Okay. If you flip a coin 10 times, how many times would you expect the coin to land on heads? Okay. Mrs. Rivera served cake for dessert. She cut the cake into 6 equal pieces. If Carlos eats 2 pieces and Jenna eats 1 piece, what fraction of the cake would be left? Okay. Miss Rivera served cake for dessert. She cut the cake into 6 equal pieces. If Carlos eats 2 pieces and Jenna eats 1 piece, what fraction of the cake would be left?
3 out of 3.
Okay. A classroom has 4 rows of desks. Each row has the same number of desks. There are a total of 24 desks. How many desks are in each row?
$28.
Okay. Thank you very much.